Real pipeline kit runs on your own machine with your own keys. In this first tutorial, I set it up from scratch. One command to install, then the API keys that make it work. Install is a single line. On Windows, I open PowerShell and paste the installer from the docs. On Mac or Linux, it is the same one-liner in the terminal. I run it and let it work. The installer looks at the machine first. It needs Node 20 or newer and Git. If something is missing, it offers to install it. Nothing is forced on your system without asking. Then it clones the kit and pulls the dependencies. About a minute later, it is done. I move into the folder, run npm run dev, and open localhost 3000 in the browser. The kit is now running locally. No account, no login, no cloud. The first stop is API keys. This is infrastructure you set once per machine. I open the keys drawer from the top of the app. At the top, I choose the scenario provider, the model that reads an article and writes the real script. There are 3 choices. Anthropic Haiku gives the best writing for about 1/10 of a cent per reel. OpenAI is even cheaper, and Gemini has a free tier so you can run the whole kit at 0 cost if you want. Pick one and you only need a key for that one. I paste my key into the field. Notice where it goes. It is saved to a local file, settings.json, which is git ignored and stays on my disk. Nothing is sent to my servers because there are none. This is your machine, your key, your file. Below that is an ElevenLabs key. This one is optional. You only need it if you later choose ElevenLabs for the voice to narrate reels in a studio or cloned voice. If you plan to use the free local voice instead, you can leave it blank. I hit save. The keys button up top flips to a green check, which means the kit has everything it needs to run. That is the whole setup. One command, one key, and it is ready. That is install and keys done. In the next tutorial, I take a real Substack article, paste the link, and watch the kit pull the text and images and turn them into a scene-by-scene scenario.